Assalamualaikum everyone, I'm Farhana bint Islam. Welcome to my channel Tech Codism with Farhana. So today I'm going to show you how to install Netbeans, the latest version 19. And so don't further delay, let's go to the video. So first we have to select, that means write Netbeans download. After that, here we can see the link and just click on it, and here you can see the latest version, and you can also check here the oldest version. Here is the oldest version, so we have to download it, the latest version. So now we have to click here because we want to download for Windows software. So just click on it, and here we have to click this link. Just click and download start. So it is downloading, and I will be back after downloading, so please wait a few minutes. So guys, you have to also download JDK21, and if you don't download it right now, so you can go to my playlist and you can watch the video, and I will give the link in the description. Okay. uh, Apache Netbeans has been downloaded on where. So just click on it. So click yes button. So here you can see we can do base IDE, Java, HTML, JavaScript, PHP, any kind of thing. So now you have to click next. So you can read this license agreement and then click I accept the terms in the license agreement. Okay, so then click next, and here you can see our Netbeans path and also Java JDK path. Okay, these two are given, so just click next, and here check for updates when it will update. So it will be updated automatically. Okay, don't think about it. Okay, just click just select it and just now install. Okay, installation complete successfully. Now click finish. Okay, uh, so now click here. So here we can see we have to click here new project, and then here you can see Java with Ant, and then click Java application. I just want to I want to give a name, so Java. So obviously first letter must be capital. Okay, first letter must be capital. Java project 1. Okay, so now we have to click here finish, and here you can see the main class. Okay, it's must. So now click here. Okay, here. Oh, and before it, so in the tool button, this option, so here we can see the font. So you can change the font size, like monospace, so font size, font family, any kind of things. Suppose I have choose this, and here you can see the size list and bold list also. Oh, here you can see the writing style, so you can check here. No, no. Okay, I'm going to select the quick on. This is good actually. This is also good and clear Arial. Okay, and 18 big, 24 also big. So I just click here. Okay, here you can see the package. This is the public class. This is the main class actually, and this is our main method actually. Okay, so now we simply write okay. I simply click on here. It takes some time, just wait, because this is first time. But here you can see. Thank you so much for watching. It already run. Okay, so I think you can understand all the things, and I hope you like my video. And if you like my video, so please do like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.